So if you look at the peony bed, and the plants, there's buds at all different stages. You've got some at the marshmallow stage, some at the tight brand new bud stage. We've even got some blooming down here. You can see now when you put away for long-term storage, you want to find the ones that are at marshmallow stage. I usually pick them a little bit earlier. Like this one is perfect, right? So we'll cut that one. And it makes a big difference. If you get those marshmallow stage peonies, you can store them for quite a long time, and I'll show you the process. So once you designate the one you want to cut for storage, you can go ahead and, like I said, marshmallow. You want to cut as low as possible. It encourages root growth when you get down towards the base. So let's go ahead and spread this. Go down here. We'll cut, and then you want to strip everything off. I usually strip them right in the bed so the leaves go back into the soil. But anyway, that's one, and we'll continue to go throughout the bed and find all the others. Strip this guy. Scooch. Here's my bounty. Went out in the field and also had some beds around the house that I plucked from. So now I'll go inside and pack them up. So I've got my peonies here, and before I wrap them, I just want to get as much as this foliage off as I can. You can leave a few up near the flowers. It's not going to kill them, but foliage takes moisture to keep alive. So anyway, here's my bundle. Now what I like to do when I pick them is I like to give them a good wrap, and we actually use this craft paper, which is really flexible, and we use it for all types of things, everything from packing to doing what I'm doing today. And what I do is what I call the double diamond. So bring my peonies down here. You want to make sure that they're loose and a little bit separated before you start rolling, but what I do is I fold up the bottom and I fold the sides. Don't make it tight, make it kind of loose in there so they have some room to breathe and just be while they're in the fridge. And then I take some tape typically, and I'll mark them. Make sure that I get this all nice and solid on the bottom. When I fold the top, you want to make sure that you kind of close them off, but still allow some airflow. Some problems with my tape today. There we go. And there you go. You have a nice little package, and I'll usually come in here and I'll put 12 peonies. Today's the 6th, so 4, 6, 26. And then I'll take these in and lay them sideways, horizontally in the fridge. And they'll last me anywhere from a month to 2 months.